Breaking. A humping scandal at the dog park today. Let's find out who humped who.
Not me. I can't hump in this cone. I can barely lick the pigeon poop off the tree bark. Ask the collie.
He is right. I already mapped the thrust trajectories and soil displacement. The math does not lie. Everything points to a group hump.
A group hump? If that's what passes for romance here, then I'm dating cats from now on.
Girl, we need a sugar daddy, but a sugar daddy that don't want no sugar.
A diabetic daddy.